Ready to supercharge your Coinbase security and sleep soundly knowing your crypto is locked down? First, head over to the App Store on your iPhone. Tap the App Store icon, usually a blue icon with a white A in the center. In the search bar, type Coinbase Authenticator. Make sure you spell it correctly to find the official app. Locate the Coinbase Authenticator app in the search results. It's the one published directly by Coinbase. Tap the Get button, then tap Install to download it to your iPhone. Once the app has finished downloading, tap the Open button to launch it. Now, switch over to your Coinbase app. Tap on your profile icon. This is usually in the top left corner of your screen. Scroll down and tap on Security. Here, you will find options to enhance your account's safety. Select two-step verification if it's not already enabled. You will need to enable it. Choose Authenticator app as your preferred method. Coinbase will now display a QR code. This is what you will scan with the Coinbase Authenticator app. Open the Coinbase Authenticator app. Tap Scan QR code. Use your iPhone's camera to scan the QR code displayed on your Coinbase account. The Coinbase Authenticator app will now generate a 6-digit verification code. This code changes every few seconds. Return to your Coinbase app and enter the 6-digit code generated by the Coinbase Authenticator app. Tap Verify or Submit. Congratulations! You've successfully set up Coinbase Authenticator on your iPhone. Your Coinbase account is now significantly more secure. Remember to keep your recovery phrase in a safe place in case you lose access to your Authenticator app. Stay safe and happy trading.